As far as assessment goes with Key Stage 3 Science, there are several points that I think are worthwhile making. The first thing is that, of course, that we're working in a system now in which that there are no national curriculum levels. So the new programme study isn't set out at all with level descriptors, and it's up to individual teachers to develop provision that is progressive, that goes from simpler ideas to more complex ideas. And one of the things that we're doing with the new Collins Key Stage 3 course is to look at how we can support that sense of progression and the tracking of progress. An absolutely key part of this, we're convinced, is being very sharp and very clear about appropriate learning outcomes. And what we're doing in each of the units in the new materials is identifying what appropriate learning outcomes are. In other words, if pupils have mastered those outcomes, if that really does describe what they can do, then we can be quite confident that those pupils are on track and that they'll be making good progress during Key Stage 3 and building foundations for Key Stage 4. So there'll be some quite detailed and specific guidance that we'll be able to provide there. What this also means, of course, is that we can then identify pupils who need additional challenge, that they are already making good progress. It's important that those pupils are not coasting, and therefore that we'll be providing guidance and materials to support extra challenge being provided. But in the same way that there are going to be other pupils that find it less easy to make good progress, and in that case that it is appropriate that there's intervention that's made. And again, as you would expect, that the course will include guidance for pupils that need additional support.